Unity in the community. 6 years ago, at the Marina Park, and I happened to walk the Marina Park almost every morning. And someone over the weekend on a Sunday night, apparently, had written some words, derogatory words, racist words, on a wall at the marina. And during my walk, I saw Public Works, and I'm like, what are they out here so early for? Well, they were covering up the words that had been spray painted. And I talked to one of them, and I couldn't wait to get home, change clothes, and go to my office. And I decided I better call an emergency meeting. So I called several people. I called the police chief. I called the mayor, city council members. I sent everybody a note and told them we need to act on that immediately. You cannot allow things like that to happen with no response, but it has to be immediate response. You have to stand together against hate, and it has to be done directly and forthright. And so I called Sterling Grant, and she said, Bernard, it's after 10 o'clock. You think you can get people to your office by 2 o'clock? I said, well, those who care will show up. And several council members came, several people from community organizations, the police chief came, and we had this meeting about what we need to do, what steps we needed to take to show solidarity against hate. And so during the discussions, several people talked about we needed more unity in our community. And that word was born as a result of that, unity in the community. So we started a meeting every month, on the second Saturday of every month. And we brought in speakers. The city actually brought in speakers, the city manager. And so unity in the community began to spread and began to increase in size. And we found a lot of people in the San Leandro community who really want to change San Leandro. And so after 6 years now, we have a full unity in the community platform.